welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by AJ here. I don't know why I did that, but today's video is going to be on this eyeshadow look. I don't know what you want to call it, maybe Black Panther inspired, maybe just a silver smoky eye-ish look. I decided to use some of the products that I got for my Ipsy February bag, so that's why I decided to do this video. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. Hit it, just click it, it's so easy. So hit that so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video, because I upload every week. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by using this Morphe 35F palette and a Morphe E13 brush, and we're going to take that brown shade and use it as one of my transition colors. Next up, we're taking this reddish shade and we're going to take that same Morphe E13 brush and use that also as a transition color. Next, I'm taking this flat shader brush and the black colors in the 35F palette and the 35B palette, and I'm going to use these colors in my outer corner. Now I'm using the Morphe E30 brush, and I'm going to use this brush to blend out all of those colors. So using this Morphe concealer brush and my favorite MAC concealer, I'm going to carve out my crease. Now using the Marsk eyeshadow pigment and this Luxie brush. Both of these are from my Ipsy bag, by the way, but I'm going to use the brush to put the eye pigment on my eyelid. So I can't really pronounce this eyeliner, but I will link it in the description box below, as well as all of the other products that I use in this video. And I'm just going to create a winged eye. So that is the end of this video. Make sure you thumb this video up. Make sure you leave a comment below if you have any questions, any concerns, or you just want to leave a request. Say hey, chit chat, do whatever you want to do. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the notification button so you can be updated whenever I upload a new video, which is weekly. So yeah, make sure you stay tuned for my video next week, and I'll see you guys in my next video.